Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I really do hope you all have the most fabulous Christmas and New Year. Now I don't know about you guys, my house has been a little bit neglected, so I just wanted to do a quick whiz around to just tidy it up and get it feeling like normal again. So hopefully this will just give you a little bit of motivation, especially if your Christmas decks are still up and you've still got presents everywhere. So where I can, I just like to take all the chocolates and sweets out of their packaging, just because it helps to save space and then I can get more in the cupboard. You'll see from this clip, I actually couldn't get all of these in the cupboard, so some did still have to go on top of the fridge, but it was so much better than all of them being on the side. onto the worst room of the house, you can just see there is just stuff everywhere. I'm also working in a really small space to tidy up because I was also painting the stair banister, so the settee was pushed forward, which made it slightly more challenging, but we still got on with it because I just had to clean it up.
So good at pretending, keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending, spending time like it was going backwards. Bruises covering our walls, but they fall down, diving deeper in the books that we read blind, breathing in and breathing out to get smarter, not working out for me, yeah. Meditation through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Bruises covering our walls, but they fall down, diving deeper in the books that we read blind, breathing in and breathing out to get smarter, not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright, even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Don't you worry about me. If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about me. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright, even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
as always with cleaning, there's always another job to do. So you can see here that I couldn't fit her toys into the toy box, so I had to sort out which toys we wanted to keep, which ones were going to go upstairs for another time, and which ones we were going to give away. So I sorted that out. I just feel like with cleaning, sometimes you do have to get your house a little bit messier for it to get tidy. And then I actually hoovered up the next day because I just didn't have time and it was going dark. So you'll notice as well, I had to tidy up my daughter's corner because she had played in there again for the final clip. But I did finally get it tidy. So thank you so much for watching this video. I do really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my Instagram if you are on there, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye bye.